Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to this quick standing stretch that you can do any time of the day whenever you feel tired, you need to refresh yourself, and you can do this with or without a yoga mat. Now, if you have a mat, stand up tall at the top of your mat. So let's all stand with our feet hip width apart and your feet parallel with each other. Press your palms together in prayer position in front of your heart. Take a big belly breath in through your nose and a slow, calming breath out through your nose. Feel the connection points with your feet and the ground. And then place your hands on your hips. We'll start with a side body stretch. Breathe in, lengthen your left arm up, lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, dive towards your right side. Keep your chest open. Then breathe in, come back to center. Place your left hand on your hip and release your right arm down. Exhale, inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, dive towards your left side. Open up your right side body, breathe. As you inhale, come back to center. And then release your arms down. Inhale, circle your arms up. As you exhale, lower your arms down, connecting breath with movement or matching your breath with movement. Inhale, reach your arms up. As you exhale, bend your knees and then fold forward over your legs and bend your knees as much as you need to. Then place your hands on your thighs, lengthen through your spine and slowly walk your hands down your shins and go as far as you can go. There's no need to touch your toes, just hinging from your hips here in a standing forward bend. Relax your neck. Gently shake your head yes, no. Breathe. Feel the length in your spine. On your next inhale, slide your hands up your shins, thighs. Come up halfway, your upper body is parallel with the ground. Exhale, fold down again. Then inhale, come up all the way, circle your arms up. Exhale, unite your palms in front of your heart. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, sweep your arms down, around and up. Lengthen your spine, soften your knees. Exhale, fold over your legs. Folding from your hip creases, place your hands on your thighs. And then stay there or slide your hands down your shins. Go as far as you can go. Keep your knees soft. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. Come up halfway. Exhale, fold down. Then inhale, come up all the way again. Exhale, unite your palms and place your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Notice how you feel. Keep breathing. Nice. Then place your hands on your hips and take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Kind of like you're standing on train tracks. This is for stability. Then step your left foot out to the back into a high lunge. So curl your left toes under and lift your left heel up. Bend your left knee and just hold it here. Breathe and notice a gentle stretch in your left psoas, your left hip flexor. And at the same time, hug your thighs in towards each other. You can keep your hands on your hips or breathe in and reach your arms up. Keep breathing. Then inhale, lengthen your legs, straighten out your legs, reach up. Exhale, twist your upper body to your right side and bend your knees. Your left arm is in the front, right arm is in the back. Your hip bones are facing forward while your chest is rotated towards your right side. Keep your foundation, your legs strong and steady. Keep breathing. Then as you inhale, reach your arms up, lengthen your legs up, come back to center. Exhale, bend your knees again. And then place your hands back on your hips. And step your left foot forward. Remember to stay on the train tracks for stability. And step your right foot to the back. Right heel is lifted. Bend your right knee. Front knee is bent as well. So you can keep your hands on your hips, or as you breathe in, Reaching your arms up, hold it here. Keep breathing. Lift your back lower ribs up and lower your front ribs down. Then as you inhale, straighten your legs, reach up. Exhale, twist your chest to your left. Right arm is in the front, left arm in the back. Bending your knees and hold and breathe. Twisting your spine is really nice for your spine to keep it supple, good for your digestive system, and it's also energizing. Keep your lower body strong and ease in your shoulders, your jaw, and your face. And then as you inhale, lift your arms up, come back to center, straighten out your legs. Exhale, hold your high lunge and bend your knees. Keep breathing. Well done. And then slowly release, place your hands on your hips and step your right foot forward. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Breathe in. Reach your arms up. As you breathe out, take cactus arms position, like so. Your elbows are bent and in line with your shoulders. Energize your hands. Gently arch your spine. Keep breathing. Open your heart. Another nice energizing pose. And then as you inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale. Connect your palms. Draw your palms in prayer position in front of your heart. Take a moment here to stand up tall. Feel your feet rooted down into the earth. Press the backs of your thumbs against your sternum. Notice your heartbeat. And notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Then invite gratitude and acknowledgement for yourself that you took this time to take a break, to stretch out. Take a moment to take care of yourself. And thank you so much for practicing with me. It's my wish that this stretch, this practice is a blessing to you. From my heart to yours. Good job, Yogi. Thank you so much for watching and for making it this far and showing up for your yoga practice. I'm so proud of you. I would love to give you my free Blissful Morning Guide. All you need to do is sign up with that first link below this video, enter your first name and email, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. I look forward to seeing you soon again on the mat. Bye!